Guys, welcome back. So I'm finally going to do a tasting of my Krush Pilsner. I just wanted it to sit in the keg for a few weeks. So it's been in there for 3 and a bit weeks. So yeah, I'll show you the beer first. I've just poured it up off the keg. So there it is there. You can see a nice light straw colour and it's cleared up really nicely. There's a bit of condensation on the glass. I'll just try and clear that off, but hopefully you can see it's pretty clear. Plenty of bubbles streaming up there. Nice little cascade. Holding on to a nice little cap on the top there. Yeah, so looking the part for a Pilsner. So before we dive in, just a quick run through of the recipe. So yeah, my Krush Pilsner, a very simple grain bill, 94% Gladfield's Pilsner malt and then 6% CaraPils, fermented with Novalager at 14 degrees Celsius, and then I ramp the temperature up towards the end. And then yeah, hopped all the way through with Krush hops. So I used Krush in a red IPA in a previous video, but I just wanted to try and get a bit more from the Krush hops by having a very light malt base. So yeah, I used Krush 25 grams at 10 minutes from the end of the boil, 45 grams for an 80 degrees Celsius 15-minute hop stand, and then 30 grams for a dry hop. So 100 grams in total in a 10 litre batch. Yeah, 3.5 weeks in the keg. Did finish quite low, 1006, so it's come out at 5.4%. So cheers guys, hope your weekend's going well. We will get a nose on it. Or straight away getting a nice juicy hop aroma off the top. It's got like a guava, lemon, a little bit of lemon there. Guava, lemon, I think they said mango as well as one of the descriptors. I'm not sure about the mango. Yeah, possibly a bit of mango there as well. It smells absolutely fantastic. So yeah, the hops are dominating on the nose. But it smells nice and clean. So yeah, we will dive in. Cheers guys. That's nice. Disclaimer, I have had a couple of glasses. It's definitely developed in the keg early on. I guess before it cleared out I was probably getting a bit more yeast character, but now it's cleared and it's got a nice clean crisp sort of mouthfeel. But having said that, it's got a nice sort of tropical sort of fruit, almost juiciness to it, which is really nice. Yeah. Yes, nice little hit of bitterness up the front. Can't remember the bitterness off the top of my head, but I think it was around 30-ish IBUs. It has got a nice dry finish to it because, like I say, it finished at 1006, so pretty low gravity there. But yeah, it has a nice sort of almost like a sweet, sort of juicy tropical flavour. From those Krush hops. Definitely getting more of an idea of the Krush hops in this style of beer than I did in the red IPA, even though I really enjoyed the Krush hops in that beer. Just trying to see what else I can think about, what else I'm picking up. Yeah, there's also, apart from the, I think I said guava and lemon, I'm also getting like a little bit of like apricot as well. I can't remember if that's one of the descriptors for the hop, but yeah, so apricot, guava, maybe that mango, and lemon. But yeah, those hop characters sit really nicely in a Pilsner. Yeah, very refreshing, very drinkable. Yeah, 5.4%. It's, you know, it's not super low ABV, but it's starting to creep up there a bit. But yeah, very, very drinkable. Some nice lacing there from the CaraPils. Still got plenty of bubbles streaming up. So yeah, very happy with how that's turned out. It's like I said just a little while back, it's definitely a lot better than it was maybe after the first couple of weeks, just giving it that extra week, and probably about 3.5 weeks old now. Yeah, it's just starting to really taste really nice. Just see if I can pick up anything from the malt itself. There's not really a lot to pick up. Maybe a slight sort of crackery sort of flavour there from the Pilsner. Yeah, very happy with that. So yeah, if you guys haven't used crush hops and you're looking to maybe try something different, definitely think about using them in a light, probably more in a light style beer, between, you know, Pilsner lager, pale ale, even an IPA would be really good. I'd say you won't go too far wrong. And I think they've got aromas and flavours that will, you know, sort of please everyone. I mean, who doesn't like tropical fruits coming through in a beer? Just a very slight citrus edge. So it's not citrus heavy. I'd say, like say, more tropical fruit with a slight citrus edge from what I'm picking up is like a lemon. So yeah, very happy indeed. So thank you guys. Sorry the video's taken a little bit longer to put out than I thought, but I did think just giving the beer a bit more time would do the beer a bit of justice. So happy days. So yeah, I need to get another beer on. Probably another Pilsner. I'm sort of getting into my my Pilsner kick at the moment, or will be as we come into summer. So yeah, stay tuned for the next one. Just got to think about probably what hop I'm going to use next. So I'll have a bit of a think on that. But hope you're keeping well. Thank you for watching. Hope your weekend's going well and that you're all brewing up if you are brewing, and if you're not brewing, I hope you're drinking really good beer. So until next time, thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next video. Over and out. Cheers, guys.